Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed French toast in 3 ways. So let's get started. For the bread, use any enriched bread you like, such as challah or brioche, and cut it into thick slices. And it's best if your bread is stale, so what I do is I slice the breads the night before and leave it on a cooling rack overnight, and the bread will be stale the next morning. The first stuffed French toast is chocolate and peanut butter. To fill it, cut the bread in half down the middle. Then spread on some peanut butter. And add a few squares of chocolate. And place the other half of the breads back on top. And gently press them back together so they stick. Not too hard, you don't want to squish the bread. The next stuffed French toast is strawberries and cream cheese. Just like before, cut the bread in half down the middle. Spread on some softened cream cheese. And add some sliced strawberries. And place the other half of the bread on top and gently press them together. And the last one is banana and Nutella. Just spread some Nutella onto one half of the bread and add on some sliced bananas. And place the second half of the bread on top and gently press them together. To make the French toast custard, in a medium bowl, add in the eggs, milk, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract, and whisk them really well together until they're well combined. To cook the French toast, heat a large skillet on the stove over a medium heat until it's hot. It's ready when you sprinkle some water on the pan, and it should skid across the pan before evaporating. Once the pan is ready, coat it in butter. Dip the French toast into the custard, letting it soak for a few seconds. And place them onto the pan and cook them until they're golden brown. If they're browning too quickly or if they're not cooking all the way through, then turn down the heat. Once they're golden brown, flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Then once it's ready, remove them from the pan and place them onto a plate. Then cook the rest of them in the same way. And that's how to make stuffed French toast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.